that you feel to eat, but always keep that hunger. May you never take one single breath for granted. God forbid love ever leave you empty.
Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. I know you've read the thumbnail and seen the previous clip of me packing. Yes, I'm going to Abuja. I'll be in Abuja for a couple of days. I got a little gig. Yes, that's why I'm packing. I'm not done packing yet. I've not really been feeling too fine, so dizziness and all that. So I just left that clip you people saw. That was yesterday's packing. So I'm just going to try and continue right now. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on this vlog. Yes, I made my nails and I painted them black. I've never done black nails before. I think they look good. Yes, let me know what you think about the nails down in the comment section. So I'll just get right back into packing, put everything together. Come along guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you've watched this long, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and yes, let's have fun. Airport now. It's currently 12:12. I keep seeing this number synchronicity. It's 12:12 by the way. I'm heading to the airport. My flight is for 2 p.m. I'm supposed to check in 40 minutes before, yes, 40 minutes before the flight. So yes, I'm taking you guys along with me. I'll film as much as I can, and yeah, enjoy the rest of this vlog. Another 15 minutes to be ready to board. I'm just here waiting. Guys, you see this shoe removing hurdle. That's the reason why I don't like dressing up too much, especially wearing complicated footwear when I'm coming to the airport. I really hate that process. I hate that stage. You now remove your shoe and start buckling back everything. That's why I usually just wear flip-flops or just, a normal slippers. guys, so I'm on the plane now. It's already late. I've landed, and I'm just going to go pick up my luggage and then order a boat and get to my hotel room. This flight was so much delayed, like damn. Guys, so I'm on my way to the hotel. I'm on my way to the hotel right now, and Abuja's sun has welcomed me. Thankfully, I have my sunscreen on, and then yes, it's customary for Abuja to have this kind of hot sun. I feel like Abuja is not really different from Uyo in terms of road networks. Hi guys, so yes, I finally got into the hotel, and see, let me tell you something. Ibom Air delayed this flight for like 49 minutes because I counted it. It's not as if the plane came late though. They kept us sitting down inside aeroplane for exactly 49 minutes. But yes, so they delayed us, and they even made me to be wondering, like, all those times I used to come to Abuja for an interview and I'll book my flight on that same day. If I had done that, or if I was coming for an interview today now and I booked the flight today, that's how they would have delayed me. Yes, I finally flew the Airbus. It's bigger than all those their other mini school planes, but this particular aeroplane was shouting like a possessed demon. I don't know, maybe they need to change brake pad in that plane or something, but I recorded some of the sound. And I'm going to play for you people. That aeroplane, something's wrong with that aeroplane, because taking off, it was just shouting like he's possessed. Landing, it was just screaming. Everybody was like, what the fuck is happening? So I really don't know. And I didn't even get a window seat. I got an aisle seat. The man said that sat down on the window seat, he did not even make good use of it. He was just sleeping. I was just looking at him in the corner eye like, Baba, can you be sleeping? Anyway, I hope I get a window seat on my return flight. And what else did I even notice? Okay, the difference between these their Airbus and their normal plane is that the Airbus has larger capacity. It can take a whole lot more people, and I noticed that they had, what's it called now, USB ports. I showed you guys in the clips earlier on. They have those USB cords that you can use to charge your phone. What else did I even notice? But they should go and work on the brake pad because they want to scatter and balance my ear. Yes, one more thing guys, I forgot to show you people. See, they delayed our flight and they did not give me any refreshment on board. Those Oyibo crew, I missed what I wanted to say before, but I'll get back to it. So they delayed our flight and they did not give us refreshment on board. They gave us when we were coming down from the plane. Another thing I noticed about this new Ibom Air Airbus is that their flight crew, shey na wetin they call them, crew, they are all white people though. From madam that flew the aeroplane, I don't even know the road that she followed because it was just doing boom 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 boom, to the cabin crew people, they were white people except one Asian guy and one other black man that I really did not even know who he is. But yes, let me show you people what they gave us. Okay, this is what they gave us. This really cute tiny water. Reminds me of short people. And then this happy hour orange kinikon, orange satan. I've been waiting. One more, see, I'm not seeing orange safari. And this cake, like, and this thing, so that we'll lick it and our mouth will not smell. So yes, that's it guys. I'll see you later. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and bye.